Are you excited for Vlogmas? Vlogmas! Vlogmas! He's like, what's going on? Vlogmas! Hey you guys, so it is a couple days before December 1st. I just wanted to pre-film some things because we are preparing for Vlogmas. So I decided that I wanted to do Vlogmas this year up until I leave for Mexico from the 25th to the 31st, excuse me. So I'll be gone the full week of Christmas, but I just thought, you know what, up until that point, why don't we just vlog every single day? I wanted to start off this year's Vlogmas with a nail video because I haven't gotten my nails done at the salon in a while. Vlogmas officially starts in 2 days, so that'll be really exciting. I hope you guys are just as excited for Vlogmas as I am. I'm on my way to go get my nails done right now, and I'm here at the nail salon. I just wanted to show you guys my pre-nails because I always do this. Will you focus? There we go. Just like really gross. It's been a while since I've seen Vivian, and it's been a while since I've gotten my nails done, so I'm really excited. We're doing dipping powder today, and I don't think I'm gonna do as in-depth of like a video as my previous ones. I'm just gonna like show you guys like briefly because it's a vlog, you know. So I need to go inside now. I'll pick a color and then I'll see you guys in just. So here I am just picking a color. I just decided to go for like a baby pink, which I will show you guys in just a little bit. But I also loved this little beige color here. Back with Vivian today. Do you want to be in the camera? Do you want to say hi?
Yeah, sure.
Say hi. Hi. So if you guys want to see a more in-depth dipping powder video on how I actually do them and like the full-on review of like everything, then I'll leave a link down below to a previous video that I've done with doing dipping powder, excuse me, with Vivian. But it's a really simple process. You just have a base coat, you dip, you put the polish on, dip, you know, polish, dip, and then finally, eventually, after dipping enough, your nails should come out like this. And then, as you can see, she's putting on a top coat, which then reveals the glitter and the color. And I just loved how these, this pink especially, was like eyeshadow. It had little flexes of glitter inside, which just looked so perfect after curing it in the top coat. So I did one regular top coat and then another gel top coat, and I cured it in the light. And then this is the final look. I love the way it came out, and it looks way better with flash. But definitely follow me on Instagram if you ever want like more nail inspo. Hey you guys, so I just finished up getting my nails done. Here is what they look like now. That's what it looks like. Oh my gosh, aren't they so beautiful? You definitely have to see it with flash because it looks a lot better with the flash on. It's like a very glittery pinky color. I'm really obsessed. I love it so much. Now I am going to head back home probably. I'm gonna probably get some food on the way home. I'm gonna grab my laptop to start editing stuff. I'm going to the gym tonight. I need to stop by the market to get some stuff for our game night tonight. So lots of stuff to do, but let's just head home. All right, you guys, so I am now just exporting my video that's going to be going live today, which you guys will be seeing this tomorrow. So it's my Gizu hair perfume unboxing video. I have it right behind me, right over there. I was like taking some flat lay shots, but I just now finished editing the video. I wanted to let you know that I got a package in with some rings. So these are from SHOPSEEWHY, and it is a friend of mine's company. I'll just show you the cute little letter she wrote for me. It's like so cute, and she says, I hope you love your new rings. You can wash your hands with them, shower, swim, whatever. So I'll leave a link to her shop down below. But aren't they just so cute? I wanted a cute little like hugging pinky ring, so that's what I got. The gold one here is like a thicker gold band. The two on this side are just like thin gold bands. I also have silver bands on this side, but yeah, if you're interested, I'll just leave her shop down below. But yeah, I need to hurry up and get this video edited and then go pick my brother up. So much to do tonight, but we can do it. Good morning, everyone. So happy Vlogmas! December 1st is here, and I just had mission practice this morning, so I woke up extra early. Today, Justin and I are going on a little like Martha Stewart date thing. He got invited to like this Martha Stewart like event from his work. So we're heading out to that after we eat some lunch. So I'm just now at his house. We're gonna go get some lunch. Nails are looking cute. Ooh. I'm just waiting for him to come from Monty's Burger, which is like a vegan burger place or like a plant-based burger place in Koreatown. So yeah, let's eat some burgers, have some fun today. But happy Vlogmas, everyone. Very excited that you are here joining us today. Our Uber, Justin's playing around with his new camera. What camera is this?
That's a good question. A7R2.
Oh, nice. Yep, so Justin just got a new camera. We're in an Uber now and we're headed off to go to like that event or whatever. They're like kind of matching, which I love. So excited. Oh my goodness, amazing.
See, he's Snoop Dogg.
Oh, it's Snoop Dogg over there. The talent. Ooh, look at our clothes. What is all this?
Oh, you can stencil your own apron.
Oh, stenciling your own apron workshop? Okay, let's move past. See what else is here. Oops, sorry. Let's see who the talent is today.
Parks Barbecue.
Parks
Barbecue.
Yeah?
Fig and Olive.
Oh, Fig and Olive. We know Fig and Olive. I feel like I've heard of most of these restaurants. Oh my goodness, look how cute this little section is. It smells really good.
Oh, that smells so good.
Yeah, it smells good. Oh my gosh, look at this. We're on the hunt for Martha Stewart right now. We just had a sangria, very, very delish. There's all these different restaurants, so pretty much what this is a lot of famous restaurants or up-and-coming restaurants in LA are here to promote their business.
Do you see her?
And Martha Stewart, we found her! Is the man, the myth, the legend, Martha Stewart. What flavor are you trying?
Piña fries.
Piña. Oh yeah, that's actually what it's called. Oops. And then what's this? Kiwi sandia, which means kiwi and watermelon. That's not that good.
That's pretty good, right?
That's really
That's
good.
good. Yeah, I like
that's
this. Let me try yours.
It's kind of lukewarm.
Cocktail of Brazil. It has cachaça, Coco Lopez. It's got baby bananas, lime juice. Enjoy. Thank you.
Wow. Okay, we're trying this.
You try that, I'll try this.
There's tequila in there.
You are gonna like this.
Yeah? Try this. It's like banana in there.
Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry.
Tastes like tequila. Try.
It's really good, you should finish it. It's bomb. Bombed up bomb.
I bombed. That's really good. Guys, so Vlogmas is not off to the best start. It is so dark, oh my goodness. Vlogmas is not off to the best start because I left my memory card at Justin's house because he just got a new camera, so he wanted to play with his camera, but he left his memory card. He forgot his memory card. So I gave him mine, but that made me forget it in his camera and I didn't bring it home. So Vlogmas day 1 and 2 will be going up together on Sunday. I'm sorry, but okay. You know when you get your nails done for like the first time, if you like get long nails, everything is like, yes, hello, I'm talking to you. You know, it's like, let me just don't, oh my gosh, really? Like, I just feel like that's how I talk when I get my nails done. I'm like, more hand situation. You know what I mean? Like, if you don't know any other girl that gets their nails done and they talk like this whenever they get their nails done. Sister just came back from Korea and she got me these rings from this store here. But I just wanted to show you the rings. So if you're ever in Korea, you should definitely look up this place because they make the best rings. And their warranty is that if it ever tarnishes, like if the rings ever tarnish, you can bring them back and they'll just give you a new one. Here on my middle finger on the top, the circle one, that's from there. It's like $10. This one here is like a little chain situation. Love that. On this hand, this one here is like little circular diamantes, the silver one. And those are all the rings from Devaha. This with flash because it looks way better, but this is from that place I was talking to you guys about. Stackable rings, how beautiful. Just the first top two. That's my crotch. And then this one is a chain, like a gold chain. I love this one. It's so like cool. And it fits my thumb perfectly. And then that one's from SHOPSEEWHY. But yeah, okay, I just wanted to show you guys the rings because the rings were so cute. I think I'm gonna stack it like this. I need to clean up my room. I need to take a shower. I have a lot of stuff to do, but that is the end of Vlogmas day number 1. One.